Why are PNG-8 files mangled when opened in Photoshop? Why are some 32-bit PNGs opened in Photoshop with indexed colors and no transparency? For instance, I grabbed a PNG icon file of the Stack Overflow logo at this URL. When opening it in Photoshop CS3, it apparently treats it as indexed color and gets rid of the alpha channel. The image on the right is a screen grab of the icon. Changing the image mode in Photoshop to RGB doesn't change the image at all. I've tried this with a few other PNGs and it seems hit or miss. When viewed in other programs, it displays fine. Left PNG opened in Photoshop, right screen grab of PNG from browser. What gives? Does Photoshop not interpret the PNG file format correctly?
It looks like the problem is that Photoshop doesn't support part of the PNG-8 standard. PNG-8, like GIF, uses a 256 color palette. Both formats support using one of those 256 indexed colors to represent transparency. PNG-8 also supports setting an alpha value for each of those 256 colors on the palette. Photoshop, apparently CS3 and CS4, doesn't support this and renders every pixel opaque.
Simple solution, in Photoshop CC. Image mode, check RGB color, not indexed color. The file will now be editable as usual.
Just hotel, easy, ready and play.